Good morning everyone. Our recipe this morning is Paksiw na isda sa Kamatis. Let's start. Meron tayo a lot of tomatoes here. At salt. And we are adding some eggplant. Add it up here. Gusto ko kasi yung may eggplant. Sana kung mayroon ding halaya, pwede din natin lagyan yan. This is beef. Titiyar natin para lalabas yung pango niya. And then, i-align na natin ito. Rock salt, 1 teaspoon. Then, place the remaining eggplant at the top. The remaining bay leaf, fish sauce 1 teaspoon, chili flakes 1/2 teaspoon for an extra kick, cracked black pepper 1/2 tablespoon, and then let's add 2 tablespoon cooking oil, monosodium glutamate o bitsin 1/2 teaspoon. Then, place together the remaining spices at the top. Lemon, 1/2 piece. Squeeze lamang natin ito. Right after squeezing, hindi po natin itatapon yung kanyang lemon peel. Ilalagay natin ito sa top para lalong bumango ang ating luto. Maglagay tayo ng water, 3/4 cup. Then, cover and simmer it for about 10 to 12 minutes. And after certain time, let's check. Cover it again for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, gamit ang isang malinis na kutsara, tikman natin ito kung okay na ba ang lasa. Super duper perfect taste. I love it mga migs. This is already done. Let's turn off the heat. Alright, this is already done. This is our paksiw na isda sa Kamatis. This is batambaka na isda. So look at this mga friends. Napakasarap talaga nito na tinikman ko kanina. I really love the taste. The taste is really good and so beautiful. When trying to make this at your home, I'm sure magugustuhan ito ng inyong mga kiddos, mga migs.